Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to dispel table line in style in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for table option. Then choose draw the table. Now I have select is line table line and going to the table border option and then choose the style option. Then again going to the table border option and click for the style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.